As the scorching heat of summer lingers over the country, the anticipation for the rainy season grows. Meanwhile, at Angat Dam, the water level is nearing its critical minimum, prompting adjustments in water release operations. Denise Osorio tells us more.
The rainy season in the Philippines looms closer than ever, based on the analysis of the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration, or PAGASA. According to PAGASA weather specialist Joey Figuracion on Tuesday, declaration of the start of the wet season in the country hinges on weather developments in the western side of Luzon.
Actually, nangyayari yung widespread na pag-ulan na talaga pag may habagat na tayo sa western side ng Luzon. So, sa monitoring natin and assessment, wala pa pong ano. Pero at least, diba napapansin nyo, may mga pag-ulan na rin naman. So actually, ipapunta na tayo doon. Mayroon naman tayo nakikita na trend or indicator na malapit na.
Figuracion explained the western side of the country, which draws the southwest monsoon or habagat winds, has distinct fluctuating high and low peaks compared to the eastern side.
Kasi yung eastern side, actually, parang all throughout the year, may ulan naman sila. Ito kasi yung western side, mayroon siyang distinct na maraming natatanggap na ulan, mayroon din siyang mga buwan na pinakakonti. Parang hindi naman magsisiro. Siya yung area sa Pilipinas na sobrang ulan during this time of the year, parang May up till September. Tapos pagdating naman ng November, December until hanggang March, no? So wala siyang masyadong ulan. Ang eastern side kasi hindi naman sa kanila critical yung kailan yung tag-ulan, kailan yung tag-ano. Kasi all throughout the year, may ano talaga sila, ang pattern ng ulan ay marami. So, nagkakaroon lang ng variability. Pag tulad nito, mayroon tayong El Nino or La Nina.
Meanwhile, the Metropolitan Waterworks and Sewerage System, or MWSS, indicated the water level of Angat Dam is nearing its minimum operating level of 180 meters based on a reading of 179.98 meters as of 1 p.m. today, May 28. MWSS Water and Sewerage Department Manager Engineer Patrick Dizon also affirmed that, in lieu of the incoming rainy season, Angat Dam will be releasing 51 cubic meters per second, 2 cubic meters more than its previous May allocation of 49 cubic meters per.
During this summer po, no, ang binibigay po sa atin ng National Water Resources Board is every 15 days po, no. So for May 16 to 31, ang binigay po sa atin is 49 cubic meter per second. Pero for June, tinasan po nila ito, naging 51 cubic meter per second. So we're lucky enough, no? Kasi maganda yung nagiging forecast ng PAGASA for the next months, and also base sa forecast naman po, hindi kasi abutin po ng ating po critical level na 160 meter.
PAGASA also emphasized the recent tropical storm turned Typhoon Aghon brought positive effects to the water level of dams in Luzon that serve the mega city or Mega Manila. Denise Osorio from the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.